Hey Prospect Park, how are you? This is Guillermo Mata here. I'm with the Web Development and Design Group. We're here actually in Brooklyn, New York, okay? So what we do is, you're probably wondering, what is it that you do? What we do is we help local businesses. We help generate more traffic. We help with websites, graphic design, web development, software development, and much, much more, okay? But our overall goal is to help small businesses like yourself, all right? Let's face it, half the time we don't have the time to manage our social media, our search engine optimization, so we can rank on the first pages of Google for a particular search like chiropractor Brooklyn, New York, automotive Brooklyn, New York, or auto dealership Brooklyn, New York, etc. We don't have the time to do all that, so we need to leverage and hand it over to specialists like ourselves who get the work done efficiently, and you don't have to, you save the cost. We work with you very, very easily. You don't have to spend or anything like that. We have your back 100%. Okay? So what I like you to do actually is, if you can click right on the link right down below here, which is www.webdevelopmentgroup.org. This is our company site, okay? You can get more information here on our services and how we can better serve your business. Very, very simple. Okay, now we've been able to help businesses not just in Brooklyn, New York, but worldwide. Okay, and we want to be able to do the same for you as well. All right, now let's face it, nowadays the internet is very, very huge. If you're watching me, you understand this, okay? Because it means that you did a particular search and we came up. That's because it's very powerful, okay? And I want to be able to help you as well. So let's get right into it. Give me a call anytime, 347-772-7923, or simply visit www.webdevelopmentgroup.org. Very, very simple, okay? So this is Guillermo Mata. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.